In today's tutorial, I'm be showing you guys how to make a little beat in FL Studio. It's gonna be a little bit of grace upon you people, so let's do this. Let's make me some subscribers. I'm Liberty Man 97. My name's Ivan, and yes, I do own this channel. I bought this channel from Driz because he was selling it, and to all the people that are subscribed to Driz HG, I'm keeping his spirit alive. He said he didn't want to do it anymore. I'm still making gaming videos. I'm going to be making a lot more gaming videos. I make music, I make commentaries, I make tutorials on how to hack things. I have Kali Linux, and I'm going to guarantee you that this isn't part of the video, but I'm going to show you guys how to make a music video or a music song, a good song, okay? So we're going to make something like this. We're going to make something like this. If I can get it to work. I need to open this. We're going to make something like this. For some reason it isn't wanting to play back. Maybe because I'm recording. Well, anyways, let's just exit out of this and let's go back to it. This is going to be a short tutorial. I'm actually not going to show you how to make my music that I make. I'm just going to make a song out of randomity, and I hope you guys understand how I make my music. So let's say you want to start with a song. Everyone starts with the kick. Why do you have to start with the kick? There's no reason to start with the kick. Okay, you can make any type of music from 707s to an 808 drum. So let's say that I learned a lot of things on the internet. They make songs like this. They start with a kick. You want to start your song with a nice piano melody. So there's FL Keys is probably the best piano preset I've ever seen, because you can play around with it. You can play with the tune. You can detune it. You can tune it. And let's just keep it tuned. And let's make a little bit of a song like Tupac. So you're gonna make so I'm not gonna make it exactly like his song because I'm not copyrighting his music. But let's say you want to make a song like Tupac, okay? There we go. It sounds a little bit like Tupac, but if you drop it down, you know that one song that he has, West Side Still. So let's keep it like that. Let's keep it just like that. Keep that song just like that. Now let's add our bass to that. I like using these basses because it gives people a vibe. And in a song, you always have to have a vibe and you have to have a D vibe. That comes from me. I don't have many views on my videos, but I know that I have before. So, and I'm back coding. I have a website. I'm back at everything. I'm back hacking. Anyways, let's see what I can do here. So let's say you want a slap bass or an I-bass. Say you put it here, you put another one here. You take this and you put it all here. So that's almost the end of the instrumental. So it doesn't take much to make a song. It's very, very easy. You take a guitar. You take this guitar. If I can get back to my channel rack. Everyone's not perfect, but I try to be perfect. Let's go for pattern 2. And then what I did right there is I put that in pattern 1, but I also put this in pattern 2, so it's going to sound a lot like Eminem stuff. Watch. Shrink that down. Watch and learn what I'm doing. There we go. So now that we go back there, Watch and learn. Doesn't take much to make a song. I can make a song. I can make a lot of songs in a lot of time, but watch and learn how this song ends. So if I go to pattern 3, watch and learn, watch and learn. Hey guys, have a nice day, and I hope you like my video. If you like my video, thumbs up, subscribe to me, give me a comment on what you need that's wrong with what you're doing, and I will team viewer with you for free. I will actually talk to you on Skype, and I will team viewer with you about what you're doing wrong with your music. I found out in a tutorial online that if you want your 808s to sound good, you click here and you go to this little gear button. You put it up to 7 or 6 or 7. I like 7 because that's where I learned it from, because it's an odd number and it makes it sound right. Watch and learn.